Okay, again good morning. Welcome back to your math class, online math class playgroup students. All are you here? Hi. Shonendu, hi. Hello. Where is another? Okay. Now today is the number system math class, that is basically based on number system. So at first start a lesson. I just tell, you will also tell with me. At first tell me, these are your fingers. These are, show me your fingers. Show me your fingers, everybody. Okay, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 10. How many fingers? 10. So, now I will draw here with numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, now we will just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. So, now I will do a rhymes with you. Thereafter, we will start today's the activity. Okay? For today, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat 10. La 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 la. Okay? Just now I will do the rhyme. You will also enjoy with me. Okay? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Okay? So, you will also practice just like this. Okay? Now, so, now I will start the number. Already we have 1 to 10 we have done. So, if you will write down any answer, you will write in chat box. It is now open for you. Okay? You will write down in chat box with the help of your parents. Okay? Now, today I'll start In already already English class I have done after later. Now I'll start with after number. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now I'll start after number. After number. Okay, now your portion, with the help of your parents, you will just write down in the chat box. Okay, write down in the chat box. Okay, now I'll start. Okay, so at first there is a beautiful, lovely flower just like you. Here I am write down 1. I am write down here 1. Then what will be the after number? 1 after? Write down in the chat box. Yes, Monirul, very good. Moniul, very good. 2, Sajid, also. Yes, Sajid 2, Shanendu also 2. Yay! Clap for you. Now 2. Okay. Now here is a box. I am write down here. Now 2. Now your turn. You will write down 2 after. Wow, Moniul, very good. And Shanendu also, wow, very good. And another Sheikh Sajid, wow, clap. Another is 5. Oh wow. So all up 3. All are already told me 3. Very good. Okay, now I'll erase this board. So now I'll draw this one. This is apple. Okay. Now I'll write down here 3. Beside this apple, what I should write down? After 3 after. Yes, Moniul, very good. Moniul, Shanendu, sit properly, beta. Then you will also tell me the answer. Write down. Sajid also 4. Shanendu also 4. Ba, very good. Clap for you. 3 after 4. Okay. Very good. Shanendu, Sajid and Monirul. All of you. Very good. Now, next is, there is this is leaf. This is leaf, and here is also leaf. Now you will just tell me. I am write down here 5. 5 after. 5 after. Yes, Moniul, correct. Very good. And Shanendu also writing. So Shanendu also very good. Sajid also very good. Very good. Excellent, everybody. So all of you told me 6. Wow, very good. 5 after 6. That means 3 after 4 and 5 after 6. Now I'll just erase this one and I am draw here 1 just star for you. Yes, it is written 6. 6 after. Next star. What will be the answer? 6 after. Yes, Moniul, you are correct now. Moniul is there. Also Shanendu also there. And Sajid also typing. Wow! 3 of you are correct. Everybody are correct. Now 6 after. It is 7. 6 after 7. So 6 after 7. Now what I'll do? Can you guess what is this? Tell me. What is this? This is a, what is this, Shanendu? This is a tree. Yes. Saji, this is a, yes. Moniul, what is this? This is a tree. So now I'll just draw another tree for here, for after number. So I'll just draw here 7. So 7 after. Moniul, 7 after. All of you tell me 7 after. Yes. Moniul write 8. Shanendu also write down 8. Sajid will also write. What will be the answer? 7 after. Say with me. 8. 7 after 8. 3 of you are right. Very good. So 8. Now I'll draw here. Another vegetable. Can you guess what is the name of this vegetable? This is a, what is the color of this vegetable? Violet, and this is a brinjal. Okay, this is a brinjal. So now I'll write down here 8. 8 after. The answer will be Moniul. Shanendu, 8 after? 8 after? Yes, 9. Very good. Sajid, 8 after? Yes. Moniul, 8 after? Yes. So everybody here write down 9. So I am write down here 9. Now I'll draw a thing. You will tell me what is this? This is a house or hut. This is a house or hut. Okay, now I'll write down here 9 beside another house. What will be the answer? You will tell me. 9 after. 9 after. Yes. Very good, Moniul. Shanendu also very good. And Sajid, you are also very good. So all of you tell 9 after. Shanendu, 9 after. Yes, 10. Sajid, 9 after. Sajid, 9 after. Yes. Moniul, 9 after. Yes. 9 after 10. Okay. Then 1 to 10 after number is complete here. So completed after this, I again will revise then top and bottom. So now I will erase here. Top and bottom. Okay. So let's do one thing. Now I'll draw here. I'll draw here a house here. Okay. I'll draw here a house. So here I can draw one, meow. What is this? So this is a cat, and here I'll draw a rat. Okay. This is a rat and this is a cat. Which one is at the bottom? At the bottom of the house. Which one? Cat or rat? Which one is at the bottom? This is Swanendu. Which one is at the bottom? Yes, what is this? Rat. Sajid, better sit properly and say. What is this? This is rat. Moniul, what is this? Rat. And Swanendu, what is this? Swanendu, what is this? Cat. Very good. Sajid, what is this? Cat. Moniul, what is this? Cat. So, at the bottom is rat and the top is the cat. At the bottom is rat, at the top is cat. Okay. So, at the bottom rat and at the top is cat. Now, I'll draw another with two numbers. You will just give me the answer. Suppose this is a stick. Okay. At the bottom 2 is here and at the top 3 is here. So, you will tell me which number is at the bottom. Write down on chat box. Which number is at the bottom? Which number is at the bottom? Very good. Swanendu, write down. Which number is at the bottom? Yes, 2. Very good. And which number is at the bottom? Sajid also. Very good too. Now you will tell me which number is at the top? Which number is at the top? Which number is at the top? Yes, Moniul, very good. Number 3, Sajid and Swanendu, they are also typing. Which number is at the top? Swanendu also very good. Number 3, Sajid also 3. Okay, very good. So, at the bottom 2, at the top 3. Okay. Oh wow, another is a Sheikh Sahid. Very good. I am now very much impressed today. Sheikh Sahid. Okay. So, at the bottom 2, at the top 3. Clap for all of you. So, now next is another one. Now, I'll draw 3 balls. Here is a ball. The name of the ball is A ball. Another is B ball. Another is C ball. Now you will tell me which ball is at the bottom. Which ball is at the bottom? Write down on chat box. Which ball is at the bottom? Yes. Yes, Moniul. Okay. See. Saeed. Swanendu Mukherjee also writing 3. Another is Sahid also writing. Yes. Very good. All of you, 4 students are here. All of you write down here. Very good. So now you will give me the answer. Which ball is at the top? Which ball is at the top? Yes, Moniul, very good. Now, yes. Yes, Moniul is A, Shawnendu also A. Okay, Sahid also A. And Sheikh Sajid also A. Very good. 4 of you are A. Very good. Clap for all of you. All of you write down the correct. The C ball is at the bottom and A ball is at the top. Now, next part is now I'll draw here a table, okay? So, here is a table. So, now I'll draw something just for you. There is a glass is there, okay? The name of the glass is G, and here is a cup. The name of the cup is C. Now you will tell me which one is at the bottom. Which one is at the bottom? C or G? Which one is at the bottom? Yes, Moniul, very good. Sajid also very good. Okay, now which one is at the bottom? Okay, Said also very good. And okay, so all of you, Moniul, Shawnendu, Sajid and Said, very good. Now you will write down which one is at the top, C or G. Which one is at the top? Shawnendu, better tell me which one is at the top. Yes, Sajid, G. Now everybody will write down here which one is at the top. Which one is at the top? Yes, everybody are writing. Wow. Said, Shawnendu, Moniul and Sajid. All of you have write down. Okay, G. Very good. Now, it is okay. Now, I'll draw a bed. Okay. Now, I'll draw a bed here. So, this is a bed. Okay. This is a bed. Okay, now this is a bed, another is okay. Here is, now I'll draw here okay, ball, that is B. And here I'll draw an apple. I'll draw here an apple. Okay. So now you will tell me which one is at the top of the bed, B or C? Which one is top? Yes, which one is top at the bed? Okay. It is okay. B, no, yes, B. Okay. So everybody are writing here. Sajid, Said, Shawnendu and Moniul, very good. And now you tell me which one is at the bottom. Which one is at the bottom? Which one is at the bottom? Okay. Which one is at the bottom? Okay. C, very good. Sajid also. C, okay. Shawnendu also typing here. Okay, very good. All of you have write down. Okay. Everybody, all of you, very good. Now, So very good to all of you. Okay, clap, clap, clap for today. Okay, now we have already completed so many things today. Okay, top and bottom part. So today just now it is okay. For next day again when we'll meet, we'll do another work. Okay, so till now we just say, so till now we just do. Now tata for today. Next day again we'll meet. Okay, so hi, hello, bye bye, tata, 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 tata. Okay, tata. Love you, all of you. You will be safe. Okay, keep yourself safe also. Okay, tata.